Passionate storyteller? Or just want to make a difference? Pasok ka dito! Knowledge Channel Foundation Incorporated, in partnership with the Philippine Association of Communication Educators, present Class Project Intercollegiate Mini Documentary Competition 2025. Open to all college students, individual or group of up to 8 members. Maghanda ng 12 to 15-minute documentary na pasok sa temang Building a Sustainable Future for Every Filipino Child. Cash prizes at chance na ma-feature ang kanilang documentary sa Knowledge Channel ang naghihintay para sa winning entries.
Deadline for submissions is extended until March 14.
Join now and make a difference. Class Project Intercollegiate Mini Documentary Competition 2025. For more information, log on to knowledgechannel.org/classproject.